Hi everyone, you want to learn the secret of making a beautiful and flawless tote bag design? Without no further ado, let's move into the class. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gloria. So in today's video we are going to be designing a crisscross design tote bags. So first we are going to measure our bag. The distance we are going to use on this bag as seen, we are making use of 2 inches apart. From the starting of the bag, you measure 2 in between 2 inch. You are going to make use of 2 inches. Yes, all together 2 inch, then 2 inch at the other side too. So all together is 2 inch apart. All together 2 inch apart. Make sure that the lines are straight. Cross check to ensure that the lines are in order. So after that, remember we are going to create a hole right on those marks that we've already dotted. What you are going to do, you are going to open the zip, because when you are going to create a hole, make sure that it's not appearing at the other side of the bag, because we are only creating a hole in the front side. Yes, these are the tools we are using. These are a rope, a highlight pin, the highlight machine, and the bag itself. So this is the highlight screw. So I have to change it because I also use this machine for my buttons. You can also check video. I have videos on how to fix buttons on your tote bags. So what we are going to do right now, we are creating holes. Yes, right on that. Just go with your scissors to open it a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, so that it will be able to enter the eyelet eyes. For the hole to be able to enter the eyelet eyes, it should not be too big so that it won't damage your bag. So after giving it a little punch, you can just go ahead and just give it a tiny cut on it. Then you go in with your eyelet pin, place the bag on it. After placing the bag, take your eyelet cover. Just pick your eyelet, make sure that secure it very well, make sure that it enters, make sure that it's well fixed. Then take in your eyelet cover and place it. Then hit it about 2 to 3 times. Make sure that it's well secure. Yes, after fixing, it should be having something like this. So you repeat the same process until you are done with all. So after, when you are done, you should be having something like this. It should be clean and nice like this. So here we want to fix our rope. Yes, we want to do the crisscross. So behind the bag, that is from the wrong side, pass the rope from the wrong side to the other side. So invariably, the holes I created here, there are 6 holes. I created 6 holes all together. Yes, you can create 6, you can create 5. That would be 10. We're using 10, but right here with me I have 12 eyelet holes here. So that is how I want this beautiful design to be. So you go in, you simply from the wrong side to the right side, you cross. The right side to the wrong side, you cross. From the wrong side to the right side, you cross. So it's really a nice and simple design to make. So you keep repeating that same process until you are done, until you get to the last hole. And once you are done, you just go ahead and create a knot at the wrong side. Yes, so when you are through tying the knot at the wrong side, so this is what you should be having. if you watched the video to this point, please, what are you doing? Just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that each time I am posting a content like this, you will be the first person to be notified. Please hit that like button. So in my next video, I'll show you how to design the bags.